I'm gonna make something really good. Coconut shrimp. We got coconut. For the coconut shrimp, you don't need much. You need some shrimp, flour, coconut oil, coconut flakes, salt and pepper. That's it. I'm gonna also make a mango sauce. So I have a little food processor, and this is just mango, lime, actually, and some sugar. Something smells fishy. I'm gonna put some water in here. Hopefully they'll be defrosted by the time the mango sauce is ready. I'm just gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna use the whole mango yet. I'm gonna cut off the skin. So mangoes have a core, so you don't wanna cut all the way through it. You wanna just cut the edges off. Wow, this is perfectly ripe. All right, so these will do. So I got my little mini food processor. Throw this mango in. I want to eat it, but I need to put it down. Okay, let me get a napkin. The shrimp are almost defrosted. Next, I'm gonna throw some lime juice in. This lime is like as hard as a rock. I have no clue what's going on. Get a bunch of lime juice. Throw a little bit of sugar. Sugar in. Okay, there we go. Chop it till it gets thick, bruh. I'm gonna try and put a little more lime in. It's definitely a little thick. Yum. Mango lime sauce for the win. Okay, next let's bread the shrimp. I am going to whip up the egg. Flour, coconut. I am using unsweetened coconut, but you could definitely use sweetened. I'm gonna throw a little salt in the flour. And I'm gonna dry off these shrimp slightly because they're pretty much soaking wet. Now I'm just gonna coat them all in flour. These are the babiest shrimps. You could definitely use bigger shrimp. But these are just the ones I got from the grocery store, and they're so cute. Now I'm gonna do a few at a time. Put them in the egg. Coat them in coconut. The wetter they are, the more coconut's gonna stick, so. Make sure they're doused. My mic cut out, but basically I'm saying I made a lot more shrimp than I thought, and I'm going to head to the stove and fry the shrimp in coconut oil. So the stove is on medium heat, and I used about a tablespoon of coconut oil. These are the shrimp. Sounds like the pan's probably not quite hot enough yet. All right, let's see how long it takes for them to crisp up. So it's been about 6 minutes and they're starting to crisp up. So I'm gonna just work my way around. You know what, they can get a little darker than this. I'm gonna flip these back over. We're gonna give them about 7.5 minutes. See, we want this real nice golden right here. These really aren't ready yet. The kitchen smells amazing. So let's check these that we started flipping. These I think are ready. These, they're ready. So because the pan wasn't as hot when I started, the second side is taking way less time than the first. I know it's a little dark, I'm sorry, but I have all these crispy shrimp. It smells amazing in here. This little shrimp. Holy shrimp. All right, I'm dipping it in my sauce. I hope this doesn't burn my mouth. They didn't get as crunchy as I thought, but I think the pan wasn't hot enough when I started cooking them. So they're delicious. I am going to make a little veggie fried rice. Throw these on top. It'll be amazing. The mango sauce is delicious. They're cute little poppers too if you just want to have them as a nap at a party. It took like 13 minutes for them to fry. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.